Welcome to MediaCoder's video tutorial. This is an excellent program used to convert audio and movie files. And in this tutorial we will learn how to convert a video file. We'll start by adding a file. Let's click on Add File. Here I'm going to choose a movie produced by a friend of mine. Here's the file. On the right side you can see the properties of the original file, the container, duration, file size, the video codec, bit rate, resolution, frame rate, and information about the audio codec. On the right side here we have the options of the converted file, the output folder. Now let's change the audio codec. The encoder have many options available: VORBs, AAC+, MP3, and more options. I always go with open source, so let's choose the VORBs. Channels, I can set to mono, stereo, or 5.1 channels. Now let's go to the video encoder. Again, I have several options of the format: H.264, MPEG-4, Flash Video, Windows Media, and other options. Here again I go with open source, so let's go with the Aura. And the container is a bit more tricky, so I always go with default options. Now I can set even more options, detailed options, such as the bitrate of the file. The original file was set at 755 kbps, so I'd like to keep the same quality for the converted file. I'm going to use the same kbps, same bitrate. The other tabs here I rarely do change, but they are available if you'd like. The picture, I can crop the picture if I want, which is the size of the image of the video. The frame rate. The original file was set at 29.86 frames per second, so I'll keep it the same quality. Let's get a number close to it, which is 29.97. That should work. I can also set options for aspect ratio. I'm going to leave this unchecked to keep the original aspect ratio. And I can also set some effects option, but I won't change that as well. Time, I can crop the start time and the end time of the movie file. Subtitles, I can add and change the font type, size, location. And the tags tab will be related to the tags of the file. I'll keep the originals. In this area now, I'll go to the summary. Here the container is default, the video codec is 0, the bitrate is 755, frame rate. Audio is a bit lower than the original file, as you can see here. So I'll just go and change the settings for my VORBs codec. Let me increase this number a little bit. Okay, that's better. I also have on this right side a lot of other options of specific audio codecs I can choose from, if I had chosen these codecs. Well, pretty much the settings are done. Now I'll just start the encoding process and leave my computer on for a couple of hours. Encoding does take a while.